Hello, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese yen, and GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar for 15th March 2021. So this analysis is for 15th March only. I'll be coming back again tomorrow with the analysis for 16th March again. So you can see that I have few lines on the chart. Okay, and you can see market was in consolidation. Okay, and after that market went up. Okay, and after that there was a sharp fall. Okay, and market took support here and went up a little and right now trading here. So this is the rough picture of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So what should be a strategy for the Monday? Okay, so the last traded price of market is 0.7174. Okay, this is the last traded price or current market price. Okay, so we just need to see where the market opens. Okay, in case after the market opening, okay, market comes down to this particular point. Okay, then we just need to observe how the price reacts. In case market shows some price rejection from below. Okay, in case market price reaction from below, a hammer kind of a pattern or a big bullish candle like this, okay, you can buy right here above this line. Okay, so this is the support for the market, and if I zoom out the chart, okay, then you can see that there is some good amount of support available at this price range. Okay, 7100. Okay, 0.7100 is providing some good support to the market. Okay, so in case market comes down to this particular level, just wait and watch how the price reacts. If price bounces back from here, then buy. Let me show you the support level by zooming down. Okay. See, this is the support. Okay, this is a support it is providing to the market. Okay, so we can hope that if market comes down to this level, okay, then we will get a good buying opportunity. And in case it crosses the level, okay, then we will not short the market. Okay, we will not short the market. And on the other hand, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then you don't need to trade here or here. Okay, just observe how the price reacts after it hits the resistance one. Okay, this is the first resistance, 0.7239. Okay, just observe how the price reacts in the 7239 zone. Okay, in case you see some price rejection from below, you can short the market here, because see, market is making higher lows. Okay, so this is also we need to observe. Okay, though market is struggling at every point to go up, but it is making higher lows, not higher highs. Okay, so in case market goes up, okay, and struggles here, and if you see some price rejection from above, short the market here just below the resistance one. And in case it crosses the level, okay, in case it crosses this resistance one, then wait and watch. Wait for 1 hour, 2 hours. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market is trading comfortably for 1 or 2 hours, the price is doing great. Okay, then just go ahead and place the buy order above the resistance one, because now the resistance has become the support. Okay, so this resistance one is the support for the market now. Okay, then you can enter here, and this will be your exit resistance to 0.3707. And if you see that price is struggling at the 0.37307 level, okay, at resistance 2, just come out of the trade. In case market crosses this level also, okay, then you need to be careful for Careful, really good. Okay, at least wait for 4 hours. At least wait for a candle, 4 hours candle to close comfortably above the level. Okay, above the resistance too. If you see that, okay, a candle has closed comfortably above resistance too, then only you should think of buying. Okay, otherwise, uh, there is a high chance that market may reverse. If market crosses resistance 1 also, it may reverse from resistance 2, 7307 level. Okay. And if it crosses the level, then your next target will be 7464 resistance 3. But I don't think so there will market will go up to the resistance 3. Okay, so as of now we just need to focus on these three levels. If market comes down and takes support at the 7100 level, if market bounces up, there is a high chance that if market comes, then market will bounce, because it is providing good support to the market till now. Just go ahead and buy at 7100 level. And if you see some price rejection or some struggle of the price by resistance 1, 7239 level, just come out of it. If it crosses the level, just observe, try to understand the market psychology. If it is well and good, then buy above R1. Your target will be this. And if you see some good price rejection from above in the resistance to 7307 level, you can short the market. Then this will be your target. Okay. So these are the levels that we can trade. Okay, trade from level to level. Actually, this is my analysis, my personal analysis, because I prefer to trade from level to level, because it matches the risk to reward ratio, and it suits my discipline. Okay, and I believe discipline is very much essential for the success of a trader. Okay, if you want to make consistent profit from a market, then you need to be disciplined. Okay, so I trade from level to level. That's why my all the analysis are based on level to level. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please do give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. See ya tomorrow with the analysis again. Thank you so much.